Hi, my fellow beauty buffins. Brainy Beauty is our advanced nootropic for enhancing mood, sharpening focus, and awakening your memory. Unique selling point number 1. Brainy Beauty is a triple action formula. It enhances cognitive function, improves memory and focus, whilst promoting a positive, calm, and collected mood to face each day with confidence and poise. Number 2. It contains clinically proven ingredients. Each specialized ingredient is backed by science for optimal brain health and has been specifically chosen for its nootropic effects. Number 3. Total holistic wellness. Brainy Beauty supports mental clarity and mental energy, empowering you to perform at your very best. Number 4. Medical grade strength. The highly specialized formula works quickly to alleviate anxiety, sharpen your focus, and calm your racing mind without the use of any stimulants. Number 5. Brainy Beauty is a one-of-a-kind. You will not find our ingredients or formula in any other products currently on the shelves.